Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. Today I'm going to be sharing an unboxing haul from Stationery Pal. Stationery Pal was kind enough to let me choose some products to try, and they are having a huge anniversary sale, and they're going to have 18% off all items. They're going to have 50% off select items. They're also going to have a chance to win a set of the 72 Karen brush pens. So this is through April 1st through April 30th. So I'll have links below as well as coupon codes if you would like to check this shop out. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. It comes in this beautiful box, and now I'm going to try to open this as carefully as I can. I really don't like to rip it. It comes with this cool little purple heart bubble wrap. It's so cute. It has a thank you card, and they always write my name on it. It's so sweet. I'm going to remove all this confetti and set this to the side. Here are some of the free gifts that came in this box. Cute little teddy, some little pen hats, a little cat toy, a rubber ducky, and then this is a little clip. And I don't know who this is, but I think it's Hello Kitty, and I think my daughter will love it. First, I got a Kokuyo Dotliner adhesive tape roller, and I'm showing how that works. Next, I got a Plus Whipper Mr. Limited Edition correction tape, and I chose this because I think the whale tail is gorgeous and it's limited edition. So look at that, isn't that so beautiful? The whale tail is in gold. I'm going to share in my journal. This is what I use for my gratitude journal, and I change it out often. I've changed it. It's empty now, and I kind of am redoing it. I use the correction tape, and I just pat it down gently because I think it helps it blend in better. Next, I have a Milan capsule eraser and sharpener, and it's so cool. You take the lid off, and it has the eraser, and then you open the bottom flap and it has a pencil sharpener. Next is the Academy watercolor paper pad. I chose a hot press and a cold press, of course. The cold press is 200 GSM. I really like this paper. It's great budget friendly paper, and it comes in these blocks, so you do have to use a palette knife or something to get it off. The hot press is 300 GSM. I like it because of the size. I can slide it into any of my journals, and so then I have watercolor paper ready to go. Next is a Zebra Sarasa Grand gel pen. I chose the Bordeaux purple, and this is maybe the best gel pen I've ever tried. It is actually made of a brass material, so it feels hefty, and it feels really high quality, and it writes really, really nice. So I'm really glad I tried it. Yeah, I might need a few more colors of this one. So here I'm sharing how it writes. It writes really smooth. The ink color is the same as the body of the pen. This is the 0.05 millimeter. I believe they do have different sizes. Next, I picked out a few Tombow dual brush pens. I tried to pick spring colors. I'm going to swatch these, and then I will share the artworks that I created with these. First is pale yellow. Next is coral. Next is warm red, pink, rhodamine red, orchid, purple sage, peacock blue, bright blue, and aqua. I love using these. I've mostly used them for like hand lettering and little doodles, but this is the first time I decided to use them like watercolor markers, and they worked really well. And look at this little fawn that I painted with these water brush markers. Coral is what I use on the inside of the ears. I use the colors that were sent to me, as well as burnt sienna, cappuccino, and I think imperial purple, and a few greens, of course. But I try to use all the colors that were sent to me. And then next is the Kiritake Gansai Tombow Watercolor Palette. These are the pearl colors. I'm going to swatch them out on some cotton watercolor paper as well as some black cotton watercolor paper, so you can kind of see the difference. They really are pretty, and they're kind of a pearl pastel color set is what I would describe it as. And they're showing brighter on the camera, but these are actually, they're very pretty, but they're kind of pastel-y looking. Once they're swatched out, they kind of look like pastel pearl colors to me. I did set a drop of water on each of these and let them soak for a while so I could get really pigmented color. I thought these were fun spring colors. They're kind of pastel. They kind of give me a pastel vibe, the pearl mica that's in them. They swatched out really pretty, and I can't wait to do some paintings with them. For me, on the Hobonichi Weeks as well as Stalogy paper, all these markers ghost, but they don't bleed through. That's good enough for me. So that was my haul today. I really loved all of these products, and I can't wait to use them. I love using all of these products with my artwork, but I also love using them with my planners, my journals, my traveler's notebooks. I do a lot of different things. And thank you so much to Stationery Pal. I really loved everything, so thank you so much. And I thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day.